This is the first Catalan Food Show in Miami. It's a great opportunity to introduce, to let American people from Miami, to get to know Catalan food, Catalan gastronomy, all of its richness. You are convinced that there are great opportunities from us and from people from Miami, from the United States, to get to know, to enjoy these products. And we are very committed to work together and to keep doing different activities to promote our Catalan food in America. Catalonia has got the distinction as World Region of Gastronomy 2025. It's this recognition of our products, our gastronomy, and also a great opportunity to share all over the world, but specifically here in the States and in Miami, all our products and the richness of our gastronomy.